Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. Alrighty, enthusiasts. So today's opening takes us to the solid yellow bag inside of your box. And inside the box, it says a block a day keeps the quilter at play. A block a day. So when I think blocks, I think quilting blocks. But it feels more like a brick block. It's kind of heavy, this one is. But when I think block, I think of a quilting block. It could also mean blocking your project, which means squaring it up and cutting the edges. I don't want to think about writer's block or quilter's block, but I feel like a block a day feels like a quilt block type related item in what we are talking about here today. I can tell you it's very, very heavy, very, very sturdy, makes no noise when shaken, it probably won't break. So why don't we go ahead and open it up and see what is inside. Okay, so what we have here is we have a Perpetual desk calendar. So the kids last year, my boys, got me a desk calendar, and every time they come into the shop, they want to see what they've missed. They want to see that they are so excited about a block a day calendar. And so this was inspired by that. And each day has a different quilt block on it. And you can flip it, see a new quilt block. Flip it, see a new quilt block. Every day, get a new inspiration for a new quilt. So you can make 365 quilt blocks. I am not going to stop you from doing that if that's your jam. But each day has a different quilt block on it with patterns to inspire you. It is a perpetual calendar. So when you get to December 31st, you just flip it back over and you get to start again next year. I love that this gets to keep going because there's going to be a block you see on January 2nd. And by the time it gets to August 15th, you're like, but it's going to come back around because this can be there forever. You can turn it, you can flip it. I would not necessarily encourage ripping them out of here, but if that's your jam, you definitely can. If you're feeling it's something that's totally inspiring to you and you don't want to forget it, put Post-its in here. That might also work as well. But this is fantastic. It can sit in your sewing room. It can sit at your desk. It can sit wherever you want it to, where every day you can be inspired by creativity, new designs, and new techniques to you that you could potentially use in your next project. All right, we hope you enjoyed as much as we do, and we hope it gives you many, many years of block inspiration. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.